Are you feeling the weight of stress bearing down on you? Let it all melt away as you drift into deep relaxation. Feel safe and at ease as you begin this journey. Welcome to your sanctuary of calm. Breathe and let go. Find a comfortable position, perhaps with a soft blanket around you, and feel yourself settling into the earth's embrace. Allow your eyes to gently close, as if they are resting on the softest pillow. Invite in the intention of peace with each breath, silently affirming, "I am at ease." Let your breath flow naturally, perhaps trying a gentle humming exhale, allowing the vibrations to soothe you more deeply with every breath. With each hum, feel stress releasing, layer by layer. My name is Gail, and I'll guide you through this journey. Begin by noticing your natural breath, how it flows in and out, without any need to change it. Let's start from the top of your head, feeling any tension melting away as you breathe awareness into your scalp, your forehead, your eyes. What has softened now? Feel your jaw relax, your neck letting go, shoulders dropping with the weight of stress dissolving. Notice your heart beating gently, grounding you in the present. Picture yourself along the Svalbard coastline, where the horizon meets the endless expanse of sky and sea. The light here is soft and diffused, casting a cool, gentle illumination over the icy landscape. Listen to the rhythmic sound of waves, each one a whisper of calm, gently washing away tension. The air is crisp and invigorating, carrying the subtle scent of salt and earth. As you stand on the pebbled shore, feel the firmness of the ground beneath your feet, grounding you with every step. The vastness of the sea stretches before you, a canvas of blues and whites, ever changing yet constant. Gulls cry softly in the distance, their calls like soothing lullabies echoing across the water. The breeze dances through your hair, its touch both refreshing and calming, as if nature itself is cradling you in its embrace. Nearby, ice floes drift serenely, their surfaces glistening with the gentle caress of sunlight. Each creak and crack is a reminder of the Earth's ever-present, comforting heartbeat. In this tranquil setting, you feel safe and at peace, enveloped by the beauty of Svalbard. The coastline is dotted with ancient stones, each one unique and smooth, encouraging you to sit and rest. As you close your eyes, the world around you seems to fade, leaving only the sound of your own breath and the gentle murmur of the sea. Here, you are free to release all tension, to let the natural world hold and support you. You are home in the stillness and vastness of this sacred space. Breathing deeply, feeling yourself descending into peaceful awareness. 9. With each breath, feel lighter, as though floating on the gentle waves of the sea. As you settle into the rhythm of your breath, imagine the stress that clings to you gently dissolving, like mist under the morning sun. Each breath is an invitation to release, to soften, to let go. Let these affirmations echo in your heart. I am calm, I am grounded, I am at peace. Feel each word as a truth within you, anchoring you to this serene moment. What feels lighter now? Remember the story of a traveler who came to these very shores, burdened by worries. As you glide deeper into tranquility, remember the strength that lives within you, capable of weathering any storm. I breathe in calm, I exhale peace. With each step along the pebbled coast, they felt the weight lift, carried away by the soothing songs of the sea and the gentle whisper of the breeze. There's wisdom in nature, a teacher that speaks without words. Let this journey along the Svalbard coastline be your reminder of the unending tranquility available to you. The traveler realized that just as the tides rise and fall, so do the challenges and stresses of life. They found solace in this truth, feeling their troubles ebb away with each wave. I soften here. Let the sea remind you of your own resilience, of your capacity to flow and adapt, to find peace in the present moment. As you breathe, picture a gentle descent into a deeper state of relaxation, inviting a profound sense of calm. 10. Breathing deeply, feeling yourself descending into peaceful awareness. Imagine the layers of stress peeling away, each exhale releasing more tension. 9. With each breath, feel lighter, as though floating on the gentle waves of the sea. Slowly begin to return to the present, feeling the support of the ground beneath you. Notice the sounds around you, inviting them into your awareness. Gently stretch your arms, perhaps rolling your shoulders, feeling the energy returning to your body. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this time, for the space you've created. Remember, you are whole, you are steady, you are enough. As you reawaken, carry this peace into the world, knowing it's always within you. Namaste. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. I'd be honored if you return to practice again.